and I saw that my package was delivered, and I was like, where? I don't have the package. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to be testing Tarte makeup products that I got from the custom beauty kit. A few weeks ago they had this amazing offer that you could buy 7 products for your beauty kit for $63 or 70 euros, and of course I couldn't resist and I bought a beauty kit. I'm going to show you what products I got, and I'm also going to use some other products by Tarte that I have bought before the beauty kit. Headband on. I'm going to start with this product here. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. Γιατί είμαι λερωμένη. What the heck? I'm going to use this one as my primer today, and you can also use it as a setting spray or during the day to refresh your makeup. Sometimes I use it as my night cream for the days that I have forgotten to buy a new skincare product. 8 to 10 inches. Okay, from your face. Okay, so let's spray. Oof, this smells amazing. It has a very refreshing scent of oranges. This one gives a glowy finish to your foundation or to your skin if you want to use it by itself. It is so nice, and I think I have applied everywhere. Let's see. I'm just going to push it on the pores that I have here, so to make sure that I have primer, and also on the T-zone. I bought it last year with a Sephora favorite set. I prefer using this one as a primer. It doesn't work very well for my dry skin as a setting spray because my skin doesn't produce so much oil, and I don't see a lot of difference when I'm using setting sprays after my powder. For foundation, I'm going to use this one that I got from the beauty kit. For this one, I have also done an individual review if you want to see the wear test. There were a lot of foundations that you could choose from. I decided to get this one because I like mattifying products. This foundation comes with a doe foot applicator. It's a little bit weird, but I started getting used to it. This one is a little bit too drying for my dry skin, and I prefer using this foundation with hydrating primers. It works better and it is smoother. And Tarte Cosmetics has this offer every 6 months, and this is the second time that I attempted to buy the beauty kit. The first time was before Christmas. I was checking the tracking number and I saw that my package was delivered, and I was like, where? I don't have the package. And I sent an email to Tarte Cosmetics and I just asked for more information about the recipient and basically the address so I could go and get my package. And they replied back and they told me, we're very sorry for the inconvenience. That never happens, and we're going to give you a refund. And I was like, why? I just want my products. I don't want the money back. I want the makeup. I didn't reply back, and after a few days I got my money back. I don't know what exactly happened, if my products were lost or they were actually delivered somewhere else, but I didn't get them, and at least I got my money very quickly. I was so impressed with the customer service of Tarte Cosmetics. I felt like a valuable customer, and I said, okay, I'm going to place another order for concealer. I'm going to use this one. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, the most famous concealer on YouTube in the beauty world. I'm going to use just a little bit of this concealer because it is not the correct shade for this foundation. It is darker. Okay, I think I can make it work with the foundation. And this concealer is a little bit too drying for dry skin. You need to use a very hydrating cream on the under eye area, especially if you have finer lines. Or you can also use underneath the under eye primer by Catrice Cosmetics. I have found that it works with more drying formulas. I have set my face makeup and also I did my brows off camera because I have used some other products. You can find them in the description box below. And let's continue with a face palette that I got in the beauty kit. This one is called the Hamptons Weekender Contour Palette. Oh my god, it is so pretty. It is like a little book, so elegant, very sleek. And okay, we have a plastic layer. This is how it looks. We have a beautiful mirror. This is such a pretty packaging. It has a nice weight to it. It is lightweight, but you know, it feels very luxurious. In this palette we have a highlighter, a blush and a contouring matte shade. So excited. This is the perfect palette for me. We have also names: Beach Getaway, Summer House and Farmer's Market. Okay, nice names. And in the face category you could also find face powders. I remember, I think, concealers. All the products by Tarte Cosmetics are cruelty free and they also have a lot of products that are vegan. It has a very light chemical scent when you open this one. It's not very strong. I'm taking the brush 3 by Beach Cosmetics and a little bit of this contouring shade. I'm also going to contour my nose with the short blender brush by Essence. The Farmer's Market shade, blended nicely. With the brush 2 by Beach Cosmetics, let's take some of this blush. It's looking a little bit patchy. After that we have this highlighter, Beach Getaway, and with brush 4 by Beach Cosmetics, I'm taking this. This one is a very light golden highlighter. Also has some very fine champagne micro glitter. And I think that's why it doesn't look very smooth on my cheekbone. It has a very nice sheen, but it's not very smooth on my skin on this area here. It reminds me a lot the last highlighter palette that I tested by Essence. I have mixed feelings for this palette. I had high hopes and I didn't like the blush and the highlighter a lot. The packaging is super adorable, but we don't apply the packaging on the face. For the eyes I got this eyeshadow palette. This one is the... what is the name? Oh, Glam on the Go eyeshadow palette. And I think this was the only palette that you could find. We have this confusing design. I don't really like it. It was looking better in the pictures. Anyways, the packaging is very sleek and well made. We don't have harsh edges. It has a very nice weight to it. It feels, you know, like something expensive. And we have 6 warm eyeshadows. We also have a mirror with this one and it is a very well made mirror. The opening is a little bit stiff and I like that because if you want to travel with this palette you can just set it on a table and the mirror is not going to move. With the beauty kit, I also got this double-ended eyeshadow brush. On one side we have the eyeshadow brush and on the other side it is a smaller blending brush. It is very soft and it is round on the top. Both of the sides are very soft. Soft. This one here was in the category body and brushes and you could choose also from a vegan salt spray for hair, or they also had a vegan deodorant. I decided to get this brush because I love double-ended brushes. I always take them with me for traveling. I'm going to start with this eyeshadow here. It is a light beige matte eyeshadow. Okay, it is very soft. I don't know if it is going to be very noticeable on me. Ooh, the mirror is very clear, very good quality. You can see every mistake that you have done. The eyeshadow brush is a little bit too big for my eyes. I'm usually using smaller brushes. On the back of the packaging we have a sticker with the eyeshadow names, and this eyeshadow is Going Places. Going Places is not going very well with my skin tone. Bada boom. Okay, I started again. I want to see how this one looks on me. This is a light golden champagne shimmery eyeshadow. I think it's not going to work very well as a brow bone highlighter for me. Let's see. With the same brush, I'm taking this eyeshadow, Soul Sister. I'm going to use another brush because this is very big for my brow bone highlighter. I'm using the eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. It gives a little bit of sheen, but it's a little bit too dark for me. After that, I'm going to take eyeshadow Ambition, this one here. This is a warmer brown matte eyeshadow, super creamy. Okay, let's see how it swatches. Ooh, pigmentation. Okay, I'm very excited about this one. Let's see how it blends. Also, we have a little bit of kickback with this eyeshadow. I'm going to use a different brush for this eye because I want to see if I can give a more diffused look. I'm taking the eye blender brush by Essence and again this warm brown eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is not blending super fantastically. I'm not very impressed with this eyeshadow. I can see some patchiness. I want to see how this beautiful, gorgeous, shimmery eyeshadow looks on my eyes. This is a warmer. Ooh, so pretty. It is like a bronzy, coppery, shimmery eyeshadow. Very nice intensity. I didn't have high hopes, to be honest, but it looks fantastic. Ooh, it feels so nice when you press it. It becomes foil with your fingertip. It looks fabulous. Oh my god, so shiny. Very nice pigmentation. And this is how it looks with the swatches. After that, I want to use this golden eyeshadow, but I'm thinking that I'm going to make my eyes very dark. With the eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I'm going to take again this light champagne eyeshadow. I'm tapping that in the inner eyelid. This one doesn't have the same sheen. I'm taking the setting spray again, and you can make this eyeshadow a little bit shinier with a setting spray. I don't like that for expensive products. With a smudging brush by Essence, I'm going to take this dark purple plum matte eyeshadow. Let's see how it is swatching. This is very soft. I'm smudging that on the outer part of my lower lash line. The two darker eyeshadows are blending nicely into each other, but I think that we are missing in the palette a lighter crease color in a matte finish. And after that, I'm taking the shade Boss Babe with the same smudging brush by Essence. I'm pressing that on the inner part of the lower lash line. This has a very nice saturated color and also sheen. I want to give a little bit of definition on the outer part of my crease. The plum eyeshadow also is not very blendable as a crease color. Dun dun dun! So from the whole palette, I only liked two eyeshadows, these two here. A little bit disappointed. I was expecting more blendable eyeshadows. About the brush, I want to use it again with another eyeshadow brush. Palette. I think the brush works because I have also tried to blend the eyeshadows with different brushes today. For my lashes, I got this kit here. This is the Picture Perfect Eyelash Curler, and I also have a very small mascara. This was also in the beauty kit. Ooh, very nice eyelash curler. And we also have the mascara here. Oh, what is this? We also have a little rubber thing for the eyelash curler. The mascara, so tiny. I have tried this mascara again and I like it so much. This one has very nice handles and it looks very well made. I don't usually use eyelash curlers. I prefer curling mascaras. Let's see if it works. And I'm pressing again. Okay, yes. I can see my lashes uplifted. They are very short. It's not very noticeable. This one feels very nice. It doesn't feel like it's going to cut your lashes. So this is with only one layer. I think it looks very nice. I'm going to apply a second one. You can definitely see that my lashes are longer and fuller. The brush is making my lashes a little bit spidery. I have tried to remove all the product from the applicator and after that just comb them, and I have this mess here. I used to like this mascara a lot. Now it looks a little bit spidery. I also lost some lashes on this area and also on this part here. So maybe that's why it doesn't look like I remembered. For the lips I got the Lip Sculptor lipstick and lip gloss in the shade Cartwheel, and you could choose from 4 shades. On one side we have the lip gloss, on the other side the lipstick, and I have already opened this one because I was very excited when I got my package. So it has some marks. They are not fingertips. I don't have any fibers or fuzzes. It looks very clean, but the shape is not very smooth. I think this is a lab mistake that the shape is not perfect, but I don't think this one is used. So let's see how the color looks on me. This is a very pretty shade. It is very creamy and opaque on the lips. I like the sheen that it has. It is not very glowy or very matte. It is in the middle, and this is a very pretty shade, I think, for summer or in the winter. What do you think about the color? Is this shade something that you like on you? I like it. It has the perfect peachy nude color. Super pretty. The packaging is also very nice. And let's see the lip gloss. And it has a very light chemical scent, also the lipstick, and they are not overwhelming. The lip gloss is super glossy. It looks fantastic. I'm thinking that maybe I can use it also by itself. It has a very light peachy color as well. It is lightweight, not sticky. I love that. Another product that I got is this makeup bag with this fabulous flamingo design. Oof, this is so shiny, and this was also in the beauty kit. The material is not scratchy, and I think it can fit all the products of today. The total value of all of these products is $164, and I paid $63. That's great. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of this video, and you can watch here the review that I have done for this foundation here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!